in the name of the so-called Kumawood star. It's only in Ghana and away obet me no akasa nipam. Nipa bi say. You see me I say Ghana your problem literacy. Look, adia me amwako hene ye ya. Me commend in here involving the school children. Very good.
Mame mao akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo wayosi eye Kumawood actor na ende Ghana fo ebisa ne se nsem hu a ona ma wokeka say His Excellency the former president na Nana Akufo-Addo ema ne ba Jangroma o ma ne $25 million on fenye painting na ono wayosi no obetimi ayi ano ana na ebusuafo ansa na me de ensem no bebre wo no wayosi a oda screen nsi odi nkwase asem bi wo Ghana hanoma yetia no kra entia because onimi se wakotwa movie 1 or 2 bi e wo Kumawood nto oye star e na okeke nkwase asem na Ghana hanom no the more awo kensem hu e the political party bi a eye useless e beba ban mu no na e affect yen Ghana fo no ebusuafo de ntia wayosi e kensem hu we e defend nyama bone ekoso aban we amembu we mu nyina ne se imre bi wayosi e be yare ni kidney e ho be touchma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ena osane yare omani sika ena odesane ho yare ever since wayosi ne kasa asesa eni nsem hu kwa na odi na painting bi koso e wo Kumasi omo so mba beye Ashanti First painting hu nsem na ne aba eko na sa painting hu nsem a Ghana fo ansori anye video entia no na me hu se Ghana sa wo kasa na aban we bechi wutuma na sa wo kasa na obi bepra wa yenkwase akasa na wa kasa no because Ghana hanom no kamia kwa say NDC the one touch one but NPP obo bombe ye nema pa bo oman Ghana ne the one touch one painting common painting e course no painting ko amu emizo omo aye bi wo kanesi interchange no so enye fe ba ko say chese man ekromu kra ye time painting na course wo Kumasi no woni say Kumasi journalist fu na akọ ministers na akọ Eka Chief Justice awanko adan omo aye painting na busuafo yeti omanya ende bebi awiase adui wa ye common painting nti no se wa ye ade aboho mode na bi mbada painting no we paint interchange ho na nipa no si interchange no party na si interchange no edian e na Ghana fo anasa asanteman aye e dey appreciate sa party no omo nye bi da na momo bi abeye painting wa interchange no ho a Ghana fo amma brand ne so asoa me kire eye Ashanti Regional Minister Amoako Hene aye painting inti Ashanti Regional atam na asia konkon na eye time se painting na course no Ghana fo na asori we ese ka bibi kire Ghana se NDC party no omo ye party bi omo ba so omo meboa wo omo nyo omo adwen so omo de oman sika ne bebo oman ne ho bra ahwe mu nipa no na mom His Excellency John Dramani Mahama etimi eye ne ho e na no okoma speech e was asori dem o se he ne bodyguard guide o catch a bodyguard ne say ontena ase e mana on guide no e mana wonjina ho na Ghana fo so John Dramani Mahama de obre ne ho asio ahobrase ne ebedi ada ye pa obi o ye arrogant na obebo oman no samosi na na no ye arrogant but ono ya arrogant no be Ghana so for 8 good years project and a niama adwumayefo pay cocoa farmers wo mo Ghana ha niama na nadre ye de bo omo ndwuma course na nado mo fro sure mo Ghana ha enne mo fra na nya ba bi asi no senka ye pe obi ese ye bona ba so na nka na nado enti nka ye pe president o ya arrogant Inti ya ni nanka ya pe president a ombuwa di mom. Ne ye hu se president ombuwa di ne mom obuwa Ghana. Sen president a ye feel is onu mom buwa di ne so oku Ghana. In fact, Ghana for mon sorry na mon kasa journalist for ahemfo a so for mon sorry na mon kasa na niam ekoso wo Ghana ha no eye time. E na wayosi kogina ho no. E na okaka se ye nti nsema wayosi kan.
Mamu ni bi pen. Bo. Ye mpe we sabio na de ne pe. Da chimbia obaye president anya mo wa. Since that Anya we na your mampani dada by Yura, Nanado Danka. What is 25 million contract? I demand the bus on from Petit years. Because he said, Shamabu had a moye.
In some way, and our Yosi a kind. Why also any perform say? And you see, me, I don't blame them. Or more can me and family because NPP communicators said to her. As a 2025, 26, never better to abandon. I saw more the NPP communicators and I could do so. I just from one no muntimin casa. Casa mo be cancel na enko. Nana do the 25 million US dollars I'm and the bus on for just painting. Omo kanya net to Ghana food trim. And so na nyampa. Na Ghana for me my wayosi reply or more says one fan kwasi asem. And I need Jimmy and people be an kwantena. So be we yare no be a besa we yare nti no. Inipa ne ya de bone kwa so ya de papa. One people be an kwantena de be ye ono. Umpe. Yenti reply ya omode ama wayosi.
Hello abusia munwa we mbe fast ni. Abusia pese ko he video bi ba. So na we know me ni yeni nkomo kakra bi. So say we stay tuned na wati de me work am me dase.
Mangu amamu ni bi pen. Bo. Yembe we sabi na de ne pe. Da chimbia obaye president anya mwa. Since da. Anya we na your mampani dada by Yura, Nanado Danka. What is 25 million contract? I demand the bus on from Petit years. Because he said, Shamabu had a moye.
Yeah, Busia. Guy ya muhu so kase ye freno Wayosi. Na or ye part of Kumawood acting whatever, yeah. Na umu so kasa se amane nyoma de wo mu nyane se emre bi atwa mo nya kidney problem e kanya men kwanko wiye because of the kind of lifestyle we am say no live. Ama mahama akutu ani medical bills ni bi ma no. If you na guy we the language sisan. Na busua emra wo man ni mu enu nti na hwe ene wo nkwa adwo mahama de Ghana for nam so. Amamu ni nye but wo bio ano kasa pene the police for aba bechewo. Itimi kwa chairman for even radio station studio itimi kwa chairman for TikTok as omoto om live so ni akwa pick you just because they are criticizing the government. But when NPP was in power, mama ni amamu ye fuel to the extent say we sabi mfa nche me we ni din kro ntimi ntro Wayosi ni din kro ntimi ntro sabi odina wo kanya no wa ya count na no no woka we no ntimi egu NPP hu fiki kan sama ma ne to amanfo tirim NPP government ntimi anya ho hwe ye de o mani hwe o say kan mo for mo hu die. And even as they are in government, he is still bad-mouthing the party, saying things I want to improve. Now wait, Emra or mine. Sisi and two-face Yakochi Wayosi. Usa Kufa the 23 million US dollars money back so far painting and Kusi baby. Yapasa will my document just a support to claim now. Do you think this guy will be able to provide those documents? No. But I can't find who on my Timono. We wakafa ni huadi free of charge because of say we are 20 money ska we tuaneka onya adwuma bi amaba even omo kompo omo ye adwuma de ma NDC for ba power no ya ignore them and nipa bi say they spend this kind of omo into sorry the hia so ba kwotena be bi akwaka nkwase asem all in the name of the so-called Kumawood star. It's only in Ghana and away obetimi anya no akasa nipa bi say you see me out to say Ghana your problem illiteracy. Look, adia me amwako hini ye ya. Me commending ye involving the school children. Very good. But aside that, what is so special about this? When they see interchanging, when they see it. Ababe they see interchanging. Ama mwako hini be painti ase. Ababe they see interchanging. Let me tell you, NBC putting amwako hini at Ashanti region very strategic. There's nothing they are going to do for the nation. For the region. I'm being honest with you. What the funny to form the radio? Oh baby no. Yeah, you painting or more. Painting. And Ubenya the people say well, you see this guy like he obey president mama. Yeah, I'm talking about literacy. Because we inclined here. You know say this guy is mad. This Wayosi guy, Ubon say like he is talking out of sycophancy. The Ubenya dinti. Abusha say ne baby de Ghana enye because any other person at time we on when you know the casa wamamu Wayosi nipa won't mean true needing nipa even a different economic crano even the economy of a country he doesn't know what it is or no so who am moda me they be ameka me blame one people from penny for because mo man ko from who die and Kevin Taylor to US when the command me kwachubi Mubapo mujeja near Mamma wenum be say it make cancer from who free of charge into Abanesa. You see, this time where you see guy, when the video be no case, John Mahama have to go for the second term or something because maybe President Kufuor proposed this idea. Yeah, Kufuor did propose it, but I just want to this for kind. They raise hell on the on Kufuor and Kufuor kwa try ya. Ebian can be mini kibisi Ghana. So what I say. Now, any namuno, me the blame my people from penny for said kind. Mona mama we munya we momba we moba pa kwa mbesa jama mama for muhwedi. Yeah, mbesa jama mama for muhwedi. Na sanka mu chini pa binim say na ka mu request evidence of their claimer. Come on for be so nyansa film. Abusia madam say stay with me. Bye.
Bisa say ndi jo mama into first time na yenum calipo di two no. Agana for any breya you bia fie bia mu bia num calipo. Do am fan yesu yade. When to one find yes, I'll grow when you too much. Mahama. This is Matisse last month. Mubo was your answer to your workers. And I told Musadi and a being whom scanning in answer. Good I jama munina, matoni in eddy. Matoni in eddy. I do first serve ourselves a old brother. Some ubeyeska for. Ejapadia deal no ejapadia na mutwero sa buku na mutwero na jese ye mo mobile kinkran want one fan yesu ya de kura fan tutu nti yakoba nyina say na your friend Kenufulata na investment oye 2024 and 2025 no and na wo jubility and na wo enjoy ina mode ato is forcing na so pen Ghana for mukra what they ato forcing e compare Kenufulata de ne be yi Kenufulata what they ato forcing e compare for Kenufulata nipa pekasa hwi ni mo ankre mu na yiridi Kenufulata on se na djuma bi agu o Ghana hada na o de Kenufulata ato forcing to Kenufulata na finance minister se yenye nyina se Kenufulata na nke best she investment Akufo-Addo ye she policies no government oba ya the first time when no start ni nyina na Kenufulata one district one factory one ambulance every constituency. $1 $1 million one constituency. Free education. NAPCO. Ene nekike ka ho. Na unya MPs bia omo say Tibongo so MP agwa kujina say Ken must go because COVID aba ma wiase nyina ko lockdown. E ma ene timber nko gold nko bauxite nko almost suspended trade e ma ho kira ba wiase na mkoto abanzo amato atia parliamentary nyina se Akufo-Addo de yebeto man na parliament de yanto ma no yanto ma pa ye MP no na MPs ni nyina lusu yi na onya hang parliament yan konkoto final way so no nya na speaker of parliament so speaker of parliament so